In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your Shopify header so it looks professional and matches your brand. First, make sure you're logged into your Shopify account, then head over to your Shopify dashboard. This is your main control center where you manage products, orders, and of course, your online store design. On the left-hand side of the dashboard, click on Online Store. This will open up the section where you control how your store looks. Under Themes, find the theme you're currently using and click on Edit Theme. That will launch the theme editor, where you can see a live preview of your store on the right and all the settings on the left. In the left-hand column of the theme editor, look for the header section and click on it. This is where you control everything that appears at the top of your site, like your logo, navigation menu, and utilities. To adjust your logo position, find the drop-down labeled Logo Position. Choose the option that best suits your layout. Just below that, you'll see controls for the mobile logo position. You can switch between centered or left aligned to make sure your logo looks good on smaller screens. Next, to edit your navigation menu, look for the menu option and click on the text that says main menu or whatever menu is currently selected. From here, you can choose which menu to display in the header. Right below that, there's a menu type drop-down where you can choose how the menu behaves, such as a simple drop-down, a mega menu for larger catalogs, or a drawer style that slides out. You'll also see a setting called Sticky Header. Use this to decide whether the header stays at the top of the screen when visitors scroll. You can choose to have it active only when scrolling up, always active, or always active with a reduced logo size to save space. There's a toggle for a separator line. Turn this on or off, depending on whether you want a line dividing the header from the rest of the page. In the color section, you can choose a color scheme for the header background and a separate scheme for the menu. This lets you control contrast and readability. In the utilities section, you can toggle on or off the country or region selector, language selector, and customer account icon. Only enable what's actually useful for your customers. Under spacing, you can adjust the bottom margin by dragging the slider or typing in a value. This controls the space beneath your header. The padding section works similarly, but it affects the internal space at the top and bottom inside the header itself, helping everything breathe visually. At the bottom of the left sidebar, click on Theme Settings. Here you can manage things like social media links and your store logo that appears in the header, ensuring consistency across your site. Finally, if you need more advanced customization, click on Custom CSS. This is where you can paste in custom code to fine-tune your header's appearance beyond the standard options, ideally with the help of a developer or after testing changes carefully. Once you're happy with all your adjustments, don't forget to save your changes, then preview your store on both desktop